Gevre, geh mal kicken auf die Menorah. Wow. This is real epoxy, die ganze Menorah, du. Deze is nog gemaakt van de Menorah, van de Holocaust, the famous Menorah in the window facing the SS flag. That's this Menorah, Gevre. Only in Eichlers you get it. This is epoxy, real epoxy, the whole thing. Heshi. How did you get this? Not one store has this.
We look for unique, nice items. That's what we look for, and that's what we hit
Unreal.
The 3D epoxy.
Also wie, hey, schon gesagt, Chanukah starts at Eichlers. The Menorah is in the logo. It's ingrained in Eichlers. 13th Avenue and 50th Street, super center. Hey, the Shiva nice.
Check us out. Tent. We have a whole tent full of all games, toys. Alles zelfs van Chanukah. Walk up, wrapping paper, alles soort, dreidelig, alle crafts.
Wow.
Du hast alle craft items. Alle stickers.
Als je wil inzien geween kinderen, there wasn't so much. Kijk wat dit gewoon van de hand kinderen.
They took it, you know, they took it to the next level.
Took it to the next level. Wow.
The bags, plates, cups, outside on party, tablecloth, ganze sets.
Wow. Kijk wat party bekende t-shirt, the lights, the logos.
What's to do, Baruch Hashem.
Fully
stocked
I love this product though. You can buy in a pack.
A ganze pack.
A ganze Chanukah party with the plates, with the cups, with the forks. The whole theme over here. What's nice. Noch I'll do.
Alle toys, games, nash, candies, alles set, the baking, the molds.
Are you free? Come get your mold over here.
Alle molds, all different molds, baking stuff.
I didn't have Chanukah 8 take. Heshi, one day you wouldn't be able to do everything with this.
Beautiful. Already, we'll set up all this. And let me take you inside. Let's go. Inside, du hast alle Licht ausgesetzt, alle candles, alle sizes.
Coach van A, know that. You guys know the sizes and everything?
We brought down someone, we had an in-house training. Jeder eine kennt alle Arbeiters, von alle Jiden, alle managers, von the cashiers, von jeder eine. So also then everything, the wick, the sizes, alles.
Really?
So
I can try and look at that size 16 there?
Ja,
you know what
mit den Menorahs, mit the Knäuel, mit der Shamus, das sag ich mal, mit the Shamus.
They measure it.
We measure, we fake, we find the 100%.
Yeah, but look at the shiny Menorahs do. Beautiful pieces. Modern.
Baruch Hashem, das Tischen, kiek wie viele Tischen so haben, alles so Loose-Seiten, Tischen mit alle Prizes, Heiz, man kann tauschen, der Heiz, man kann machen. Du hast eine ganze Selection, alles so, first alle die kleine Oil Menorahs, du hast alle wicks, alle Sizes, mit den Katten, mit alles Sorten, Knoten.
Like you said, all you guys are trained to help.
All trained with the size of the round ones. Just square.
Alles de Menorahs ook gedoe.
This is the boxes. Yeah, some not the sizes, small sizes, loose sizes.
In America, it's coming letztens. People are starting to do it.
Yeah.
Used to be only it's true. People in America started doing it. Very nice. That's shiny Zach. That's my job. The biggest selection from anywhere is Eichlers the books. Heilige books.
Some two nice. I have some 2 exciting programs willen wazen.
Hoe ga je het voor? Laat me heen.
Number 1.
Do the workers here always with a smile. Alle moeten smile. Wie is mattig? Zijn smattig jetzt. Always a smile.
Goed, busy with the customers. I got aber kijk wat zit er next week. We starting next week. Alle kinderen, we can maken de eigen oil doen eigenlijk. Ga dan doen. Oil press voor alle kinderen. Dus Kim, we can make your own oil. Ga dan doen. Baruch Hashem, we started it. Ga dan doen.
Nee, ik take it home.
Ja, warte.
What are you talking about?
Ja, ga dan
doen. Gezeisem.
Gezeisem, crossing do. Ga dan doen.
Gevre, Eichlers is getting oily.
And then we have oil, yeah, we're getting oily. We're taking the Menorah all the way. And then after we have the yearly spin we have in the front.
Oh, they spin to win.
You spend $80, you spin and you win. Nothing you spin to win. You spin and you win. Any spin is a winner. I'll show you. Every spin is a win.
Gevre, every spin is a win. Laat me zien wat de spin is. Laat me eraan checken doen.
This is a spin and win. After you spend $80, you go in to win. That's it. Everything has to do.
$25 gift card.
$25 gift card. Has to 5 seconds to grab any item you want.
Get out of here.
25% off. Yeah, we have it.
5 seconds to grab anything you want?
Anything you want in the store. Has to 25% off.
No, I want to do an experiment. Goldman, come here. I'll give you 5 seconds to grab anything you want. Let me see what you're going to grab. 1, 2. 1 minute, you can take a whole pile? Your time is up. I love this. Hey, you can do. I think we're going to make a Perlowitz card. Also, let's say 5 seconds to grab anything you want. I'm going to hide.
Yeah.
Yes, you know? I like this idea. I got this thing. Perlowitz card to Eichlers, grab anything you want 5 seconds. Okay, next.
That's the free sitters, free cookbook, free book. Everything's up. A free toy.
I love this idea, Gevre. $80, you get to spin it.
$80, you get a prize.
Gevre, ga ik even bacon cooking. Yeah.
Brand new cookbook. First, we didn't done 2 flying off the shelf. So the last piece is mamish, the last few pieces left. And a new cookbook. Decorate. The heilige cookbook just came out. Also,
wow, shiny graphics though.
Heilige Sachen shows you everything to cooking and it teaches you exactly how you make things. Alle die fancy Sachen. And die fancy Sachen.
Ik kan ook maken deze Sachen.
Yeah. The kinder, you have kids. Give us this. They show exactly everything you have to do it, how to make these
fancy cookies.
Step by step.
Step by step.
Don't believe it. Heilige cookbook, Baruch Hashem. Give us that cookies, how to make it. Teaches you exactly.
So cute. Sizes.
Baruch Hashem, also flying off the shelf, Baruch Hashem.
You guys are my opinion. To spielen Chanukah, to feel that Chanukah vibe, you gotta be an Eichlers. You gotta stop into Eichlers.
As I always say, even if you don't buy, just come by.
Just come inside. Heshi, just come inside. As in the Alto Judos, they got the headphones over here. You have to come and listen to the music. What happens is, just come in over here, stop at Eichlers, say hello to Heshi, do a spin. and squeeze some oil. That's for free?
And the kids, yeah.
The kids are free?
Yeah.
Chavre, bring your kids over. Squeeze some oil starting next week Sunday.
Yeah. Was like Deidel. Die Sache, wir gaan Deidel.
Oh, Chavre, jeder Ding, was kommt daran, du? Deidel. What's so nice? Chavre, als mijn electric, Chanukah, Heshi,
Looking forward to seeing you all.
Chavre, when you come inside, and you mention Perlowitz, Heshi might let you spin it twice. I love this.
Yeah.
Beautiful.